How to find cash buyers on Zillow. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to find cash buyers on Zillow. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Start by looking for properties that have been sold recently. Zillow provides details on previous sales, so check for homes that sold quickly, especially at a lower price point. These are often cash transactions. You can also check out the recently sold section and look for listings that mention cash sales in the description. Another strategy is to target listings that are marketed towards investors, such as fixer uppers or properties in as is condition. These types of properties often attract cash buyers who are looking for their next investment project. You can also network through Zillow's contact system. Reach out to real estate agents who have worked with investors, as they may have cash buyers in their network. Building these relationships can help you tap into a pool of cash buyers who may be interested in your property. Lastly, if you're selling, make it clear in your listing that you're open to cash offers. This can attract buyers who are ready to close the deal quickly without the need for financing. So that's how to find cash buyers on Zillow. That's all for this video.